Welcome. Yes, superb day today with a fresh topic. I started yesterday location analysis. Today we are going to talk on micro topics, the factors on under location analysis. Before getting into it, once again, let me introduce myself. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hot tennis since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Comes in with a very important topic, again a micro topic, touching the base on the location analysis. The topic I'm going to talk on major factors influencing the location selection. While we are getting into the selection of a location, it is so crucial that we get into a location which will give win-win situation for all the types of people, heads who are going to get associated with that location. It is not only about the company, it is not only about the ownership, it is not only about the guests. There are so many other factors which are involved once your hotel is getting developed, while developing, as well as after it is developed and it is getting into the operations, or after it is developed and coming into effect for the guests to patronize it. However, with my experience, I have observed that selection of the location happens usually with a pre-set of, or on the other hand, if you look at it, most of the hotel have come on the existence or on the floors by the owners. They have pre-purchased a plot for some other purpose or some other business. The plot must be lying idle, nothing to do with that plot. Maintenance is becoming higher, so they think of chalo hotel kar lete hain. If that is the case, that is not a problem if that is the case, but the analysis, the factors of influencing the location should be analyzed before entering into any kind of a plan. Now, let us talk about what are the factors, what are the points which should be considered. Any corporation looking at the global scenario or the global environment, and if they want to develop a property, if they want to develop a hotel, what will they look at? They will look at the costs factor, the available infra, which is very, very important. Otherwise, unnecessarily the cost will go ahead and the payback period will rise. It will not become viable. The skilled labor should be made available, should be easy the accessibility should be easy to get the labor, which is very important. Government policies, what kind of government policies are into force, because again it's a central government policy, state government policy, local policies, local panchayats. Lot of issues are there while you take a decision on doing a project. Now, and the climatic conditions also play a major role. Sometimes certain locations will allow you to do your project for certain period. The other 3-4 months you may not be able to do the project. The target clientele is very important. What is the corporate accessibility, the potential of the corporates which may patronize your property, that is very important. What about the F&B market, what about the banqueting market? So accordingly the hotel will be designed. The right location will provide access to the vendors, The vendors will be for your projects, vendors will be for your hotel. After getting in, after your hotel is operational, your vendors will be they will keep coming to your hotel. The guests accessibility very important. The skilled labor and transportation infrastructure, roadways, very important. So there are so many factors which will influence your location selection. Winding up with this, like my video, say like, subscribe to my channel. By pressing the bell icon, you will start getting the notifications. Stay connected. Lot of information is there available. Micro information I have covered on my YouTube channel. Till then, stay connected, and I will come back with good number of videos. Again, a number of micro topics. Till then, take care. Bye.